Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNAP Snapchat. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I will say this is a pretty tricky chart to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought there, maybe you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about a bigger picture of things, then sure, the price did pull back from its highs, but from the bigger picture point of view, the price does still have plenty of opportunities to chip away and build an overall higher base, and that's going to be the perspective that I talk about. So if I sound crazy calling something, bullish, then my guess would be you probably had more of a day trading type mentality going into it. So again, these following comments are definitely being made and geared towards somebody with a broader term time horizon on things. And I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just to kind of better illustrate the point, let's say that the price actually pulls back some more and goes down to this level right here around 1665. So the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture point of view, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right there. You'd have those lows right there. You'd have those lows even further down. And then if you envision each of these as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture point of view, if these are stair steps, you can still very clearly see that the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And that progress point, in this situation being right there around 1665. Now, again, I'm well aware that if you are a day trader or flipper and you bought there or you bought there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting on things from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.